Covered pool! This prestigious, move-in ready home is a must-see. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath split floor plan with a master suite on one side. This home features a gorgeous covered in-ground pool with beautiful patio and outside space. The pool deck is painted with the product Cool Paint by Encore to keep the concrete cool during hot summer days. It has been well loved and cared for with tons of updates. It features new LVP flooring and tile floors. The spacious kitchen features a new granite countertop and backsplash. The new front-load washer, dryer, and refrigerator will be great for the new owners. It features a 2-car garage with an additional screen door added. The roof was just replaced in September 2023, new hot water heater 2024, new electric fireplace 2024, whole house water filtration system installed in 2021, and HVAC heat pump installed 2019. Some of the furniture is negotiable. This lovely move-in ready home is ready for you. Don't miss your chance to get a great property in a wonderful neighborhood.